Have you been thinking about downsizing from a home to a condo in Sarnia Lambton? Whether you're looking for less maintenance, lower costs, or a fresh start, making the move can be a great decision, but knowing where to start is the key. Hi, I'm Mac Mallon with the Blue Coast Realty team, your trusted local experts in Sarnia real estate. If you're buying a home in Sarnia or selling a home in Canada, we're here to help make your transition seamless. So why downsize? Moving from a house to a condo comes with some great benefits, like less upkeep, no more lawn care or exterior maintenance to worry about, lower costs, save on property taxes, utilities, and home repairs. Don't forget about more convenience. Many condos offer great amenities like fitness centers and social spaces. Some steps to make the move easier: plan your space. Condos are typically smaller, so prioritize what you truly need. Prepare your home for sale. Declutter, make small upgrades, and stage it for buyers. Know the costs. Consider condo fees, property taxes, and any special assessments. Work with a local expert. A real estate agent familiar with Sarnia Lambton can help find the right condo and negotiate the best deal for you. Downsizing is a big step, but with the right approach, it can be an exciting new chapter. For expert guidance and the latest insights on the Sarnia Lambton housing market, reach out to the Blue Coast Realty team today. We're here to help you find the perfect condo for your next adventure.